Welcome back to the channel Tech Unbox Pro, and today we are taking a deep dive into one of the most exciting flagship smartphones of the year, the Sony Xperia 2. Sony has once again pushed the boundaries of mobile technology, and in this video, you will get a complete Sony Xperia 2 full review, including design, display, camera, performance, battery life, and overall user experience. Let's start with the design. The Sony Xperia 2 features a premium glass and metal body with Sony's signature minimalist and cinematic look. The phone feels extremely slim, lightweight, and comfortable in hand, making it perfect for one-hand usage. The build quality is flagship level, and the device is also water and dust resistant, which adds to its durability and premium feel. Now let's talk about the display, which is one of the biggest highlights of the Sony Xperia 2. It comes with a stunning 4K OLED HDR display with a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering ultra-sharp visuals, deep blacks, and vibrant colors. Whether you are watching YouTube, Netflix, or playing high-end games, the Xperia 2 display provides a truly cinematic viewing experience. Moving on to performance, the Sony Xperia 2 is powered by a latest generation flagship processor, combined with high-speed RAM and UFS storage. This means you get super fast app opening, smooth multitasking, and zero lag even in heavy gaming. Games like PUBG, Call of Duty, and Genshin Impact run flawlessly at high graphics settings. The camera system is where Sony truly shines. The Sony Xperia 2 features a professional triple camera setup with advanced AI, real-time eye autofocus, and cinematic video recording. You can shoot stunning photos with natural colors, excellent dynamic range, and sharp details. For video creators, the Xperia 2 offers industry-level stabilization and pro video modes, making it one of the best camera phones for content creation. In terms of battery, the Sony Xperia 2 packs a long-lasting battery that easily survives a full day of heavy usage. It also supports fast charging, allowing you to quickly top up your phone and get back to work or entertainment without waiting too long. Finally, let's talk about the overall user experience. The Sony Xperia 2 runs on a clean and near-stock version of Android, which means no unnecessary bloatware, smooth animations, and a very professional feel. If you are looking for a premium Android flagship with a top-class display, professional camera, powerful performance, and clean software, then the Sony Xperia 2 is definitely worth considering. So friends, if you enjoyed this Sony Xperia 2 full review, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel Tech Unbox Pro, and hit the bell icon for more premium smartphone reviews and tech content.